Hey guys, Tony here, and over the past sort of week or so I've been deep in the trenches, and I've been mapping out some courses that I want to do. Okay, I'm going to record some courses over the next sort of 3 or 4 weeks. I've got 3 courses almost completely mapped out, and I want to give you a little bit of an insight or a teaser with this video. Okay, so anybody who's interested in affiliate marketing, especially if you're interested in the product launches, and do some launch jacking so that you can make affiliate commissions when people are searching for a specific product. This video is for you, so keep watching, and I will give you some insights and give you some ideas that will just pique your interest even more. Okay, so I'm not going to say it's mind-blowing, it's just common sense stuff, but it is very, very good stuff. Okay, so stick with us. Now what you can see here, Warrior Plus, is that we've got massive opportunity here to make sales. You can see the sales volumes of some of these are massive, like 20,000 sales for secret email system. We scroll down, we'll find others with like 5,000 sales, 20,000 sales. Let's see, we've got one here with 50,000 sales. So you can see there's a lot of money to be made in here. Now, you can build an email list with affiliate promotions. You can build an email list if you did your own products. Okay, we can build a email list by piggybacking on those people who both create their own products and promote other people's products. We can piggyback on both of those. Okay, so if you can piggyback on both of those, you can see the potential here. Now what I've done is I basically cherry picked 5 or 6 of these. Okay, when I cherry picked 5 or 6 of these, basically all I did is come over to my Ad Blaster tool and go to the tag grabber, and I put in just the product name. Okay, you can do some variations of it like I've done here, like coin and coin review and coin bonus, and all of these have had 1,000, 2,000 sales up. Some have got 20,000, 25,000, 15,000 sales just in here. Now what I've done with this, for example, is I've told the software to go and find the top 50 results for each of these keyword phrases, and then bring back the top 60 tags between all of those results. So it's going to check the top 50 results for that keyword, then that keyword, then that keyword. So that's 150 pages that's gone searched, and from all those 150 pages, all those 150 videos I should say, these are the most commonly used tags. Okay, and what we can do then is we can just checkbox all, come down, uncheck anything that doesn't have the product name in it. Okay, and then we just click on send to, and we send to the keyword builder. That takes us over here. Okay, when we're in the keyword builder, we have got the ability that we've got them 1 per line, so we can just copy and paste. Now this one has only got 36 keywords, but that's okay, because it's not this is not the end game. Okay, so we can copy them, and we can just simply go into the True Placement Finder, and we can create a campaign. Okay, and you can see the campaign in here. Basically what I've done is I've run those keywords. Now I had a few hundred results in here. Well, what I did is I came in here and I deleted any duplicate channels, and that left me 118. So I've got 118 channels here. Okay, 118 channels that basically promote this product. Okay, now we just need to do some filtering. For example, I did here. You can see I've made sure I've got the product name and the title. So we make sure this is really, really accurate. This one I've only got 19 channels, but that's okay because these channels can have a lot of traffic. Okay, so what we do next is we're going to export all the video URLs before you do the duplicate. Okay, and then you're going to export after you've done a duplicate as well, so that we can get a list of these channels or channel URLs. Okay, the uploader names and channel URLs. We can use these for placements. We can create some audiences, okay, or audience segments that we're going to use with placements later. Okay, so this is kind of important. Now what we can do as well, once we've got these channel names, is we can go over into another one of my tools, and this is called VidCreate Alpha. Now you can see here I've taken one of those products, Affiliate 1. It's got 118 channels that we've identified that have been promoting that specific product. And what I can do is I can just basically do a search in here. I've kind of abbreviated this. I haven't done a full campaign here, just to give you an idea how this works. Okay, so what you can see is that I've taken 5 videos. Okay, 5 videos. They've got different amounts of video views: 760, 1300, and almost 400 views, 600 views, etc. Now, what we can do then is we can come in here and say, for example, this one, journal. Okay, we can click here to send to Channel Spy, and we can go and find what videos he's got, and we can see what people are responding to, and we can even see when the published date was, etc. So you can see he's got one here from 15 days ago, 1 month ago, etc., etc. Okay, now we can basically see the possibilities here, because he's got videos here with thousands of views that are probably still getting a lot of views every day. Now, if we use these channel placements, and we've got all of these channels as our targeting for our video ads that we want to do for any product launch, then it's not just people who are watching videos that are about that specific product, but basically if they're watching any of these videos, any of these, then you're getting in front of them. Okay, you're getting in front of them with your advert. So what you can do is you can say to them, I know that you want to watch this video, but before you watch this video, you need to learn about my bonus for this product. Okay, and if you get this product, it will do this, this, and this for you. And my bonus, you need to see it to believe it. Click on the link, go over to my page, and it opens in a new tab. You can still come back to this video, and I'll tell you about my bonus. And so what you're doing then is you're taking people over to a squeeze page, or landing page, where you can collect an email. Okay, so that's basically the targeting in a nutshell for what we can do with this. Now, this is really important, because once you start to build these audiences, you can tap into them anytime. You can use them anytime you go and do another video ad. Okay, you can use anybody who watches your video with retargeting, and then Google will create similar audiences as well. So it's just giving us that basic momentum, where we are not bothered about ranking or competing with other videos with backlinks or content syndication and all that hard work that might or might not pay off. Okay, we're not doing any of that. We're piggybacking on their traffic. They're doing all that stuff. Let them go and do the hard work. We just piggyback on them. We can get views for as little as a penny per click. Okay, penny per click. Why the hell do we want to go and spend money on backlinks and spend money on syndication and waste time on Fiverr.com when we can just piggyback on these guys' traffic? Okay, so that's basically a nice little system just to pique your interest. Now, I will start to record that specific course probably sometime in the next sort of 2 or 3 weeks, and I've got another 2 courses that I want to do as well. I'll tell you about those in a separate video. Okay, but for now, I hope you got some value for this. You can see how easy and how powerful this can be, where we don't need to think about rankings, we don't need to think about backlinks and all that kind of stuff. We don't have to think about syndication. We don't have to think about even optimizing our video. We can just create the video from from stuff you get on an affiliate page or JV page. You can create a video from there. It's very, very easy to just do this within an hour and start driving traffic as soon as you get your ad approved. All of it is really, really quick and really, really easy. Now, by being able to piggyback on their traffic, we don't need to do anything else. We can just focus on the offer. While they're doing all that hard work, we can just focus on the offer. We can say, thanks for your traffic. I'll pay you a penny. I'll pay a penny per click to YouTube to piggyback on your traffic for all your hard work, for all your optimization, for all your nice video that you've spent time doing. And I've put together a video that took just a few minutes, and I just took your traffic. I just hijacked your traffic. You can see how powerful it is. Really, really powerful. And it's not just for the video they've done for that product, it's for any videos that they've done. If they've got monetization enabled, we can jump on it, okay? And we can just piggyback on that. Very quick, very easy, painless. This is a nice system, okay? And some of these as well, we had hundreds of results before I deleted any duplicate channels, okay, because one channel might have had more than one video, so it's only going to keep one video there and keep me and give me one video from each of these different channels. But these 19 channels could be responsible for, you know, thousands of videos. So that's our placement targeting. We're using the affiliates that promote this stuff as our targeting. We're going to take their traffic, we're going to jump on their hard work. Okay, so let me know what you think in the Facebook and the Skype group or in the YouTube comments. Okay, and we'll record this over the next couple of weeks. Thanks.